Here you are with a brand new website or a blog. What will be your content strategy? What kind of articles you will be posting on your blog? I know a lot of you must be thinking, I will write articles on low competition keywords or long tail keywords. That is not really a strategy. Everyone is doing that. I mean, it is not wrong, but it is not a strategy. In today's video, I will share you the exact content strategy to come out of the sandbox quickly. Hi, my name is Navdeep Soni. I'm an SEO consultant, and on this channel, we explore strategies and tools that help you grow more and earn more. If you are not aware or new to the channel, this video is a part of the series I'm doing on strategies in affiliate marketing for beginners. In the last video, we learned about how to choose the right niche for your blog. Now you have your niche, your website is hosted, but you cannot just randomly start writing about the niche just because you have a new website and you feel it's okay to start from anywhere. Everything you do should be a part of some bigger or a smaller plan. The plan right now is to take minimal time to come out of the sandbox. What exactly is a sandbox? If you don't know sandbox, it is a hypothetical idea where your blog content is tested for quality and value against other websites writing about similar topics. When Google feels confident that you do provide some value and, more importantly, is able to categorize you in some niche, it will start ranking you on search engine. I said hypothetical idea because Google does not acknowledge anything like a sandbox, but there is an initial phase when Google does test out your content. Coming back to content strategy, whatever we are going to write on our blog should be written keeping two people in your mind: the ideal reader or customer and Google. If you keep both of these people happy, your blog will be a magnet for a traffic. This is the fundamental thing that people know, but they fail to implement. So, to be precise, your first goal is to come out of the sandbox, and Google will pull you out of sandbox when he is sure which niche you belong to, and obviously writing content that makes your ideal customer and Google happy. We will cover how to write an SEO friendly article that makes Google happy in the next video, but let's get into the details of content strategy that will help Google to understand your niche. Let us assume your niche is home appliances. Home appliances are a fairly big niche, so you need to categorize topics based upon your keyword research and market research. This is the first and the crucial step. Let us say you have decided on room heaters, geysers, air purifiers, and electric kettles as categories. I know there can be more categories, but I will suggest concentrating only on 3 or 4 categories initially. Once you start ranking on these and you are earning from these, you can expand to other categories. Picking a website name is crucial and should have a broader name instead of a name that is tied to a micro niche. For example, homeappliancessimplified.com is way better than airpurifierssimplified.com. Now you have 4 categories. The idea now is to produce content at a scale. You have to come up and post at least 20 articles as soon as possible. You cannot take 6 months to write 20 articles. If you do so, probably you are not cut out for this, or your growth will be so slow that you will eventually abandon this blog. 20 articles, 5 belonging to each category, 5 for room heaters, 5 for geysers, 5 for air purifiers, and 5 for electric kettles. The 5 articles in each category should be divided into 4 information articles and 1 money page, like the best room heater for the baby. Go low on the competition for your money page and information articles. And more importantly, make sure all these 5 articles are loosely related to each other, or in simpler words, should be supporting each other. The idea is to create a natural opportunity to link all these 5 articles with each other. As you can see, the keyword research in this case has to be targeted and not just randomly selected low competition topics. Repeat this for all 5 categories. Honestly, if you can afford it, hire a writer and reach this goal of 20 articles as soon as possible. You will see within a month of posting these articles, one category will start picking up and you will rank on few keywords. This will open up the gates for you. Put 80% of your writing efforts on this category which has picked up and remaining 20% on the other 3 categories. This will help you build authority on one of your topics and will give signal of confidence to Google towards your niche, that is home appliances. Additionally, I will suggest that within the first 10 days of your website launch, create handles on all social media channels for your blog and link back to your website from their profile. List yourself in major directories of your niche. This directory submission should be of high quality and avoid submitting it on random directories. These social proofs will also send signals on the type of niche you belong to. So this is the content strategy that will help you to grow traffic faster on a new blog. If you have any confusions or questions, let me know in the comment section. But one question that is common in my consultation calls is about the website architecture whenever we discuss topics and categorization. That is, how do you design a SEO-friendly site structure? How do you write an SEO-friendly article? These questions and many similar strategic questions are coming up in the series. So make sure you subscribe and get notified when I upload a new video. Trust me, you don't want to miss them. I'm also active on Instagram and Twitter in case you are interested. All the links are in the description. That is all for today. I'll see you in the next one.